Every parent wants the best for their children, a safe environment, quality education, and a happy life. In this video, we're counting down the top 20 countries that excel in creating a nurturing environment for kids. These countries were ranked based on factors like human rights, family friendliness, gender equality, income equality, safety, public education, and healthcare. Let's get started. Portugal is a warm, welcoming country with strong public healthcare and education systems. Its focus on family values makes it an excellent place for kids to grow up. Italy is known for its rich culture and strong sense of community. Families benefit from free education and universal healthcare. France offers exceptional public education and a robust healthcare system, ensuring children have access to the best start in life. Spain's relaxed lifestyle, combined with strong healthcare and family-centered policies, creates a nurturing environment for raising kids. Though small, Luxembourg boasts a high quality of life, excellent public services, and a strong focus on gender equality. The UK's diverse educational opportunities, access to free healthcare and cultural inclusivity make it a solid choice for families. Iceland is renowned for its gender equality and community-driven society, ensuring children grow up in a safe, supportive environment. Germany offers free public education, a strong economy, and social policies that prioritize work-life balance for families. Ireland's friendly communities, excellent education, and healthcare access make it a nurturing place for kids. Belgium's multilingual education system and strong support for working parents create a balanced environment for families. A blend of history and innovation, Austria offers a top-notch education system, free healthcare, and a high standard of living. New Zealand is known for its stunning landscapes, strong public services, and focus on child well-being. Australia's safety, excellent healthcare, and inclusive society make it a fantastic place to raise a family. The Netherlands prioritizes happiness, work-life balance, and progressive family policies, creating a child-friendly atmosphere. Canada's universal healthcare, multicultural society, and strong public education system make it a top choice for families. With world-class education and safety, Switzerland creates an environment where kids can thrive. Finland consistently ranks at the top for education and happiness, offering children a strong foundation for life. Norway stands out for its generous parental leave, free education, and a focus on work-life balance. Sweden's family-first policies, gender equality, and excellent childcare support make it ideal for raising kids. Topping the list, Denmark excels in providing safety, happiness, free healthcare, and a balanced lifestyle for families. And there you have it, the top 20 countries for raising kids in 2023. These nations lead the way in creating safe, inclusive, and supportive environments for families. Which country do you think deserves the top spot? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. See you in the next video.